Hydrocarbon number of chain isomers of C7H16 are 9, 9, 9. General formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n plus 2. CH3CH double bond CH2 plus H2 gives CH3CH2CH3 in presence of platinum, palladium or nickel, platinum, palladium or nickel, platinum, palladium or nickel. CH3Cl plus H2 in the presence of zinc H plus gives CH4 plus HCl, CH4 plus HCl, CH4 plus HCl. CH3F plus H2 in the presence of zinc H plus gives CH4 plus HF. This reaction is spontaneous. False. This reaction doesn't occur, that is, it is not spontaneous. False. This reaction doesn't occur, that is, it is not spontaneous. False. This reaction doesn't occur, that is, it is non spontaneous. Which reaction cannot give good yield of compounds with odd number of carbon atoms? True, true, true. C2H5Br plus sodium diether gives C2H5, C2H5, N-butane, C2H5, C2H5, N-butane, C2H5, C2H5, N-butane. What is soda lime? Mixture of NaOH and CaO. Mixture of NaOH and CaO. Mixture of NaOH and CaO. CH3CH2COO minus Na plus on heating with soda lime give C2H6, C2H6, C2H6. CH3COONA COO minus Na plus on cold base electrolysis give C2H6, C2H6, C2H6. Name 3 substrates that can be used to produce alkanes. Substrates that can be used to produce alkanes are: first one, unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkyl halides, carboxylic acids. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkyl halides, carboxylic acids. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkyl halides, carboxylic acids. 12th one, first 3 alkanes are gases, the rest are solid or liquid. False. First 4 are gases. False. First 4 are gases. False. First 4 are gases. C5 to C dash are liquids. C17, C17, C17. With increase in molecular mass, boiling point increases or decreases? Increase, increase, increase. The boiling point increase with increased molar mass because intermolecular van der Waals forces increase with increase of the molecular size of the surface area of the molecule. Intermolecular van der Waals forces increase with increase of the molecular size of the molecular size or the surface area of the molecule. Intermolecular van der Waals forces increases with increase of the molecular size or the surface area of the molecule. With increase in branching in the molecule, boiling point increases or decreases? Decreases, decreases, decreases. Among 2-methyl butane and 2,2 dimethyl propane, boiling point of dash is high. 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl butane. Respective rate of halogens when they react with alkane is in the order: fluorine greater than chlorine greater than bromine greater than iodine, F2 greater than Cl2 greater than Br2 greater than I2, F2 greater than Cl2 greater than Br2 greater than I2. Iodination of alkane is a fast or slow process? Slow, slow, slow. 3 degree hydrogen is more readily replaced than 1 degree hydrogen in halogenation. True, true, true. CH4 plus O2 in the presence of copper at 523 Kelvin and 100 atm gives CH3OH, CH3OH, CH3OH. CH3CH3 plus O2 with the manganese acetate, இதுதான் manganese acetate, CH3COO twice Mn plus heat கொஞ்சம் கொடுத்தனா அது என்ன மாறுதுன்னா CH3COOH, CH3COOH, CH3COOH. CH4 plus O2 in the presence of molybdenum oxide, MOTO3 in the presence of heat gives HCHO plus H2O, HCHO plus H2O, HCHO plus H2O. CH3 thrice CH in the presence of KMO4 gives CH3 thrice COH, CH3 thrice COH, CH3 thrice COH. Alkanes are isomerized in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or HCl, anhydrous AlCl3 or HCl, anhydrous AlCl3 with HCl. N-hexane in presence of what gives benzene? Cr2O3, V2O5 or MO2O3, Cr2O3 or V2O5 or MO2O3, Cr2O3 or V2O5 or MO2O3. 27. Toluene can be made by aromatization of which alkane? C7H16, C7H16, C7H16. CH4 plus H2O in the presence of nickel with heat gives CO plus 3H2, CO plus 3H2, CO plus 3H2. What is pyrolysis? Higher alkanes on heating to higher temperature decompose into lower alkanes. Higher alkanes on heating to higher temperature decompose into lower alkanes. Higher alkanes on heating to higher temperature decompose into lower alkanes. Preparation of oil gas or petrol gas from kerosene oil or petrol involves the principle of dash. Pyrolysis. 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 Pyrolysis is also called cracking. 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 Alkanes have an infinite number of conformations. True. 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 Staggered is less stable compared to eclipsed. False. 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 Any conformation other than staggered and eclipsed is called skew. 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 Dihedral angle in staggered form of ethane is 60 degree. 60 degree. 60 degree. It is possible to separate and isolate different conformation isomers of ethane. False. 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 Alkene general formula CnH2n, CnH2n, CnH2n. Ethylene formula C2H4, C2H4, C2H4. Formula of methane CH2, CH2, CH2. IUPAC name of IUPAC name of 1 this and 2 this. இதோட ஐபேக் நேம் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் ஒனோட ஐபேக் நேம் வந்து 2,8 டைமெத்தில் 3,6 டெகாடைன். செகண்ட் ஒன் இதோட ஐபேக் நேம் வந்து 4 எத்தில் 2,6 டைமெத்தில் டெக்ஃபோரின். ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் 2,8 டைமெத்தில் 3,6 டெகாடைன். செகண்ட் ஒன் 4 எத்தில் 2,6 டைமெத்தில் டெக்ஃபோரின். First one 2,8 dimethyl 3,6 decadiene. Second one 4 ethyl 2,6 dimethyl dec4ene. 41. Number of sigma bonds in 1, 3, 5, 7 octatetraene is 17. 17. 17. அடுத்து 42. 1 and 2 are examples of chain or position isomers. இதுதான் அந்த 1 and 2. இது 1, இது 2. Chain isomers. Chain isomers. Chain isomers. How many isomers of C2H5 are possible? How many isomers of C4H8 are possible? 6, 2 chain, 2 cyclic and 2 geometrical cis trans. 6, 2 chain, 2 cyclic and 2 geometrical cis trans. 6, 2 chain, 2 cyclic and 2 geometrical cis trans. Transform isomer is more polar than cis-form isomer. False. 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 Trans isomer have high melting point than cis isomer. True. 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 Alkene can be prepared from alkyne, alkyl halide, vicinal dihalides, alcohols. Alkyne, alkyl halides, vicinal dihalides, alcohols. Alkyne, alkyl halides, vicinal dihalides, alcohols. Alkynes on partial reduction with calculated amount of H2 in the presence of dash give alkenes. Lindler's catalyst. Lindler's catalyst. Lindler's catalyst. What is Lindler's catalyst? Partially deactivated pelletized charcoal. Partially deactivated pelletized charcoal. Partially deactivated pelletized charcoal. Pelletized charcoal is partially deactivated by poisons like sulfur compounds, quinoline. Sulfur compounds, quinoline. Sulfur compounds, quinoline. Alkene obtained using Lindler's catalyst is cis or trans. Cis. 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 Alkyne on reduction with dash forms transalkene. Sodium with liquid ammonia. Sodium with liquid ammonia. Sodium with liquid ammonia. Alkyl halide gives alkene by heating with alcoholic KOH. Heating with alcoholic KOH. Heating with alcoholic KOH. Dehydrohalogenation is an example of alpha elimination beta elimination reaction. beta elimination, beta elimination, beta elimination. I live more readily than Cl in dehydrogenation. True, true, true. Primary alkyl halide more easily forms alkene than tertiary halide during dehydrogenation. False, false, false. Vicinal dihalides give alkene on treatment with zinc metal, zinc metal, zinc metal. Alcohols give alkene on heating with concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. The first 3 or 4 alkenes are gases. 3, 3, 3. Next 14 or 15 are liquid. 14, 14, 14. Like alkanes, straight chain alkenes have a higher boiling point than isomeric branched chain compounds. True, true, true. Iodine does not show addition reactions under normal conditions. True, true, true. Dash color of Br2 obtained in CCl4 is decolorized when Br2 reacts with alkene. Reddish orange, reddish orange, reddish orange. The above reaction is used as a test for unsaturation. True, true, true. Addition of halogens is an example of electrophilic or nucleophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic, electrophilic, electrophilic. X addition proceeds through the formation of dash ion. Cyclohalonium, cyclohalonium, cyclohalonium. Order of reactivity of hydrogen halides with alkene is Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl, Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl, Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl. HX addition is an example of electrophilic or nucleophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic, electrophilic, electrophilic. Propane in the presence of benzoyl peroxide on reaction with HCl give major product as 2-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane. Antimarconico addition is also called peroxide effect or Karash effect, peroxide effect or Karash effect, peroxide effect or Karash effect. Antimarconico occur in the presence of dash and also only with the hydrogen halide. Dash peroxide HBr, peroxide HBr, peroxide HBr. Antimarconico proceeds through dash mechanism, free radical mechanism, free radical mechanism, free radical mechanism. Why does HCl and HI don't add through antimarconico? HCl bond is stronger than HBr bond and is not cleaved by the free radical. HI bond is weaker and iodine free radicals combine to form iodine molecules instead of adding to the double bond. HCl bond is stronger than HBr bond and is not cleaved by the free radical. HI bond is weaker and iodine free radicals combine to form iodine molecules instead of adding to the double bond. HCl bond is stronger than HBr bond and is not cleaved by the free radical. HI bond is weaker and iodine free radicals combine to form iodine molecules instead of adding to the double bond. Hot or cold concentrated H2SO4 add to alkene in accordance to Marconico or anti-Marconico rule to form RH2SO4. Cold Marconico, cold Marconico, cold Marconico. Alkene form alcohol by the addition of water, water, water. What is base reagent? Cold dilute aqueous solution of KMnO4. Cold dilute aqueous solution of KMnO4. Cold dilute aqueous solution of KMnO4. Alkene on reaction with base reagent form vicinal glycols, vicinal glycols, vicinal glycols. Base reagent is also used to test unsaturation. True, true, true. Dash and dash oxidizes alkenes to ketones or acids. Acidic KMnO4, acidic K2Cr2O7, acidic KMnO4, acidic K2Cr2O7, acidic KMnO4, acidic K2Cr2O7. Dash reaction is highly useful in determining the position of double bond in alkene. Ozonolysis, ozonolysis, ozonolysis. Ozonolysis involves reagents O3, zinc H2O, O3 and zinc H2O, O3 and zinc H2O. Alkene on first reaction with O3 form dash which is then cleaved by zinc H2O to smaller molecules. Ozonide, ozonide, ozonide. Draw propene ozonide. Propene ozonide image வந்து இதுதான் propene ozonide, propene ozonide, propene ozonide. 2-methyl propane on ozonolysis give HHO propane 2-1. HHO propane 2-1. HHO propane 2-1. Ozonolysis products can only be ketone or aldehyde but never carboxylic acids. False. 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 Polymerization requirements: high temperature, high pressure catalyst. High temperature, high pressure catalyst. High temperature, high pressure catalyst. Dash is used for the manufacture of milk crates and plastic buckets. Polypropene. 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 Alkane general formula: CnH2n-2. 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 Acetylene formula: C2H2. 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 Acetylene is used for arc welding purposes in the form of dash flame obtained by mixing acetylene with gas with dash. Oxyacetylene O2. Oxyacetylene O2. Oxyacetylene O2. Dimethyl acetylene structure: CH3 C triple bond C CH3. CH3 C triple bond C CH3. CH3 C triple bond C CH3. Number of isomers of C5H8: 3. 3. 3. Number of isomers of C6H10: 7. 7. 7. Alkynes are prepared from CaC2 vicinal dihalides. CaC2 vicinal dihalides. CaC2 vicinal dihalides. CaC2 when treated with dash give ethane. H2O. 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 Vicinal dihalides on treatment with dash give alkene, which on treatment with dash give alkyne. Alcoholic KOH NaNH2 sodamide. Alcoholic KOH NaNH2 sodamide. Alcoholic KOH NaNH2 sodamide. 96. First dash members are gases, next dash members are liquids, and rest are solids. 3. 8. 3. First 3 members are gases and next 8 members are liquids. First 3 members are gases, next 8 members are liquids. First 3 members are gases and next 8 members are liquids. Ethane is acidic in nature. True. 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 Ethane is acidic because high S character in CH bond which leads to high electronegativity of carbon. High S character in CH bond which leads to high electronegativity of carbon. High S character in CH bond which leads to high electronegativity of carbon. CH3 C triple bond C H plus NaNH2 gives sodium propanate. CH3 C triple bond C minus Na plus. Sodium propanate. CH3 C triple bond C minus Na plus. Sodium propanate. CH3 C triple bond C minus Na plus. Which is more acidic, ethane or propane? Ethane. 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 Propane plus Br2 gives 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromopropane. 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromopropane. 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromopropane. Reddish orange color of Br2 is decolorized in case of alkane also. True. 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 Alkyne plus HX gives gem dihalides. Geminal dihalides. Geminal dihalides. What are gem dihalides? In which 2 halogens are attached to the same carbon atom. In which 2 halogens are attached to the same carbon atom. In which 2 halogens are attached to the same carbon atom. Propane plus HBr gives 2, 2 dibromopropane. 2, 2 dibromopropane. 2, 2 dibromopropane. Alkane reacts with H2O on warming with dash and dash at dash Kelvin to form carbonyl compounds. HgSO4 and dilute H2SO4 at 333 Kelvin. HgSO4 and dilute H2SO4 at 333 Kelvin. HgSO4 and dilute H2SO4 at 333 Kelvin. 107. Alkanes on addition with water form dialcohols. False. 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 Alkane on reaction with water form aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. Linear polymerization of ethane causes formation of polyethane or polyacetylene. Polyethane or polyacetylene. Polyethane or polyacetylene. Polyacetylene contains repeated units of CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH. Polyacetylene can conduct electricity. True, true, true. Polyacetylene is used as electrodes in batteries. Electrodes in batteries. Electrodes in batteries. Cyclic polymerization of propene form 1,3,5 trimethylbenzene. 1,3,5 trimethylbenzene. 1,3,5 trimethylbenzene. Cyclic polymerization occurs when substrate is passed through dash at dash Kelvin. Red hot ion tube at 873 Kelvin. Red hot ion tube at 873 Kelvin. Red hot ion tube at 873 Kelvin. Biphenyl is aromatic or non-aromatic? Aromatic. 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 Benzene is a polar or planar or non-planar molecule? Planar. 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 Criteria for aromaticity are: criteria for aromaticity: planarity, complete delocalization of the pi electron in the ring, presence of 4n plus 2 pi electron in the ring where when n is an integer, n is equal to 0, 1, 2. Criteria for aromaticity are planarity, complete delocalization of the pi electron in the ring, presence of 4n plus 2 pi electrons in the ring where n is an integer, n is equal to 0, 1, 2. Criteria for aromaticity are planarity, complete delocalization of the pi electron in the ring, presence of 4n plus 2 pi electrons in the ring where n is an integer, n is equal to 0, 1, 2. So, benzene is commercially isolated from dash coal tar. Coal tar. Coal tar. Dash on heating with soda lime gives benzene. Sodium salt of benzoic acid. Sodium salt of benzoic acid. Sodium salt of benzoic acid. Phenol is reduced to benzene by passing its vapor over dash. Zinc. 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 Reagents used for nitration are concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Reactive species in nitration of benzene is NO2 plus, NO2 plus, NO2 plus. Reagents used for halogenation are X2 and any Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3, FeCl3, FeBr3. X2 and any Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3, FeCl3, FeBr3. X2 and any Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3, FeCl3, FeBr3. Electrophile in case of chlorination of benzene in presence of FeCl3 is Cl plus, Cl plus, Cl plus. For sulfonation, benzene is heated with dash also called H2S2O7 fuming sulfuric acid oleum. H2S2O7 fuming sulfuric acid oleum. H2S2O7 fuming sulfuric acid oleum. Reagents for alkylation are RCl anhydrous AlCl3, RCl AlCl3, RCl anhydrous AlCl3. Reagents for acylation: acyl halide AlCl3, acyl halide AlCl3, acyl halide AlCl3. Benzene plus acidic anhydride in presence of anhydride AlCl3 with heat gives acetic acid plus acetophenone, acetic acid plus acetophenone, acetic acid plus acetophenone. Benzene in presence of excess Cl2 and anhydrous AlCl3 dark cold give hexachlorobenzene, hexachlorobenzene, hexachlorobenzene. Under high temperature and pressure, presence of nickel catalyst, hydrogenation of dash give cyclohexene, benzene, benzene, benzene. Under UV light, benzene plus Cl2 gives gamoxane, gamoxane, gamoxane. Gamoxane formula: C6H6Cl benzene hexachloride, C6H6Cl benzene hexachloride, C6H6Cl benzene hexachloride. Further substitution on monosubstituted benzene depends on the nature of the entering group. True, true, true. Halogens are an activating or deactivating and ortho or para meta directing group. Deactivating, ortho para. Deactivating orthopara. Deactivating orthopara. NHCOCH3 is an activating or deactivating and the orthopara or meta-directing. Activating orthopara. Activating orthopara. Activating orthopara. SO3H is an activating or deactivating and orthopara or meta-directing. Deactivating meta. Deactivating meta. Deactivating meta. Example of ortho and para-directing groups are NH2, NHR, NHCO, CH3, OCH3, CH3, C2H5, OHX. NH2, NHR, NHCO, CH3, OCH3, CH3, C2H5, OHX. NH2, NHR, NHCO, CH3, OCH3, CH3, C2H5, OHX. Example of meta-directing groups are NO2, CN, CHO, COR, COOH, COOR, SO3H. NO2, CN, CHO, COR, COOH, COOR, SO3H. NO2, CN, CHO, COR, COOH, CO double bond OR, SO3H. Benzene is carcinogenic. True. True. True.